Hello everyone, welcome back to our SingularXYZ FAQ series. In previous video series, we have introduced 6 steps to master RTK serving. Today, let's move on to some advanced features. Laser serving, helping you measure points without physical reach, improving your serving efficiency, safety, and flexibility. First, connect Orion ONE Series receiver to SingularPad software via Bluetooth and ensure a fixed RTK solution. Go to serving interface and click the laser icon to turn on the laser serving function. Please do not directly look into the laser. Laser serving is based on MU. You need to complete MU initialization before serving. Follow the software prompt to finish and do not forget to modify the internal height in advance. Now you can aim the laser point at the target point and click serving button to perform laser serving. We also recommend you to use a bipod to reduce error caused by human factors like checking. For more tips about laser serving, you can watch our FAQ video, 5 tips about laser serving. Thanks for watching and see you in the next FAQ.